everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in to STL TV. I'm Sherry Farmer Abear, and today I have a wonderful opportunity to share with you. On Saturday, May 1st, St. Louis Public Schools is partnering with A.T. Still University, Missouri School of Dentistry, and Oral Health and Affinia Healthcare to provide a day of free dental services. Here to tell us more about this great opportunity is the Director of Dentistry in the Community and Integrated Community Service Partnerships for A.T. Still University, Patty Inks. Patty, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. We're really excited at the school to be able to partner with the St. Louis Public School system, and of course, we're already partnered with Affinia Healthcare with our service, our big dental clinic at 1500 Park Avenue. So on May 1st, we're inviting the St. Louis school children to come to see us for a dental screening, and we'll be doing some services as well. We're hoping to be doing some cleanings and some sealants, and if there's students who have a more serious work that needs to be done, we want to do that as well to take care of them. You know, with the pandemic, a lot of the mobile units that normally visit the schools didn't get out, so we have a lot of students, especially the little preschoolers and kindergartners who are starting school, who may have never been to a dentist yet, and we want to provide them that opportunity to have a fun experience and to come in and have a dental exam and play some games and color some pretty pictures in the waiting area. We really want to make it a warm and welcoming day for the kids, especially the small ones who are having maybe a first time experience with the dentist.
Yeah, you never really hear that many people say, "Oh, I'm excited to go to the dentist."
Right. Yeah.
But
Don't take it personally, but I hate the dentist.
yeah,
We hear that a lot.
but it is so important. If you want to talk a little bit more about teeth and gums and how important they are to our well-being.
Right. Well, and when you think about school children, the number one disease of children is tooth decay. So we forget about the fact that it's a combination of things, but bacteria and acids in your mouth that cause those cavities for kids. But we have kids who miss a lot of school every year. If they're in pain, they may not sleep well, they don't learn as well. And of course, that carries over to adults as well. We have adults who miss work because they have pain in their mouth. But it's so important for your overall health to be able to chew food properly and to be able to talk. For these children who are learning to talk, if they're missing their front teeth, they can't do the T's like I just did. And they have trouble with S's anyway, but if you take away the teeth, it becomes even harder. So overall health, we have all kinds of links now between diseases in the mouth that may cause other diseases in the body. So we really need to get these children and their parents understanding how important it is to start those dental visits early. The Pediatric Association talks about see your dentist by age 1. So it's really something that, we used to be, before you go to school, go see the dentist, but we really want to see people early.
Well, it can help a child's self-confidence too.
Oh yeah, who doesn't want a pretty smile? Everybody's self-conscious if they don't have a pretty smile. So absolutely. And to be able to eat those healthy foods, crunching into those good crunchy healthy vegetables and fruits, if you don't have teeth to chew, make it very difficult.
Very true. And you had mentioned COVID before. How do you feel that COVID has really affected dental visits? Because they're working in your mouth. So, what do you advise parents who might be a little leery of taking their children in about the safety when it comes to mouth and not having your mask on while they're performing these, health checkups?
Right. Well, we were closed down for a while because the resources weren't there for us. But we really, really work hard in the dental profession and have since forever now, 80s, for 50 years now, we've been really focused on protecting our patients and protecting ourselves. And, we have just taken it to a whole new level now with COVID. We wear our masks and shields, and we're very, very conscious of the infection control. So I would say at this point, it's much more damaging for you to skip the dentist now than to go to the dentist. As long as you're feeling healthy, we're screening ourselves and we're screening people before they come into the building. We'll be taking temperatures that day. We'll be asking people questions. We'll be asking people to leave their masks on until they're actually seated in the chair that we have to get into their mouths. So we're being very safety conscious, but it's as safe as it can be to go back to the dentist now.
And your event on May 1st, it's for students. However, you do help more than just students. Can you elaborate on that and who all you do assist?
Sure, we're a 92 chair clinic and we have all the specialties. And we have some special programs where we're working with veterans where we're able to provide them with free dentures or partials. We treat them. And I am working with a program with the St. Louis City Fund that we're providing direct services to older adults who live in the city who qualify. So we're embedded in the community health center. So with Affinia Healthcare as our operations managers, we see anybody. We are open to anybody to walk in our doors, and we provide a full range of services from exams for kids to implants to root canals to crowns to urgent care. We also have an emergency clinic for people in urgent care for somebody rather than going to the hospital emergency room. We have expanded hours here. So we have 2 evenings a week, Monday and Wednesday, where we're open till 7, and we have Saturday mornings from 8 until 12. So we're really trying to help people. Nobody wants to be in dental pain.
No, nobody wants that at all. So you help everybody. And can you share your website again so everyone can find out more about how they can reach out to you if indeed they need to make an appointment?
Sure. Well, it's the St. Louis Dental Center, but more importantly, for the event on May 1st, we're working with the Early Childhood Education Office at the St. Louis Public Schools, and their phone number for them is 314-331-6150. So that's the phone number to call to make the appointment. And if you go to the St. Louis Schools website, they also have the pamphlet there and the information on where to call. So it would be, we're going to have appointments. We would like you to schedule an appointment so that we can make sure that we can take care of everybody who comes in the door that day. So we're planning on being there from about 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock at the 1500 Park Avenue. The school district has the forms that you need to fill out, and they're taking appointments through the Early Childhood Education Center. So we're really hoping that people come get your school exams, get them early for next year. And if your child is just starting school, being a preschooler or a kindergartner, come see us. Come see us and get the exams. And we're hoping to do some sealants and have some fun.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Patty, for taking the time to share all this information today. To make an appointment, please contact the SLPS ECE office at 314-331-6150. And remember, the event takes place on Saturday, May 1st from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. That's going to do it for us. I'm Sherry Farmer Abear, and keep it right here on STL TV. Experience St. Louis.